top farm. Top farm. Man a shoot and a score, Steph Curry. Going for the food, man, tell the chef hurry.
Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. So today we have a very extremely exciting and funny video.
Yes.
So guys, I'm asking you please to grab a snack, grab your coffee, grab your cereal, anything that you want to have, and come back.
Okay.
So without further ado, we're going to get right into the video. Let's go. Hold on, wait. Before we even get into the video, guys, we're going to ask of you kindly to hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell right beside the subscription button, and let this video leave a juicy comment in the comment section. We are always responding, so go ahead and do that. So we can go on now. Alright, let's go.
So, in my hands, I have two names, my name and Rak name. Rakisha is gonna pick, and anyone name come up first is gonna be first to go. So, let us go. Choose. Okay.
How are you for tonight?
Ah!
Kim.
Okay.
We will be reacting to Kim's old photos first.
So, let's go. So, they're in order, Rakisha. I want you to start from 1 and they are labeled 1 to 17. We have 17 photos.
So we have 17 photos, so let's go. Let's get it. Let's go. Alright, so
At first, some of the pictures might be very blurry.
okay.
So,
me.
they're very old. So, let's look.
This is a very young Gordon. This is a very young Kimar. Can see youth by you. Yeah. Well, this is not a bad picture. You don't look bad. You look handsome. Your pants big though, Kim.
Keep it good.
You look different. Like your face look more oval. Here your face look a little bit rectangular. If that makes sense. Alright, next picture. Oh Lord. The receding hairline, people.
Look how far.
Oh my
Look how far
goodness.
we don't head back.
Oh my gosh. This is the receding hairline.
Nice.
This was how long ago?
Well, this was last before we got married.
Oh, like 2014? That year before?
Yeah.
Or next year?
2014 those times.
Okay. Alright. You don't look bad. Look nice. I want to roast him, but he has no roasting picture. Oh Jesus! Kim, what is this? This is our pimp outfit?
Yeah, that's right. At that time I thought I was lit, you know. Purple shoes, purple belt, purple cap, match back with a new shirt,
No, sir.
grey pants with a ash. What? Chain on neck,
No, sir.
glass in a hand.
Wow. Well,
Let's try.
you didn't know if you coordinate your colors.
You know where this is?
It's a brown song.
Yeah.
Up on Crazy P Block.
Yeah, upstairs.
Just to see. Okay, this was a long time it seems.
Ah! That's not me. Definitely.
Kim,
me.
what is this?
I don't know.
Oh my god, can I see stress by your face? No, seriously, you look stressed. Like, I tell you, when I do certain kind of work, big man, like, the stress and the pressure. Look at your eyes, them. Like, you're not getting no sleep in decades. Like, your face look unrelaxed.
My sleep pattern was off.
Oh my god, this is a lot. This is space. Okay. So this is a picture of us. This is not supposed to be in this batch. I don't know what it is doing in this batch, but we react same way. What is this? What is is the world?
First of all, as you can see, my face looks swollen, like I got hit with something. Look here, look at my nose, fat something.
No, but why we look so shiny?
I don't know. I have no idea.
Oh, this was before we got married, guys. So this is something.
We live in the life.
All right, next up. All right, street gangster. Buckle upon buckle.
Yeah.
All right.
Money in a pocket, Kyle well fat. No.
Hear that? Give me some Michael.
Stay fly like we just get a win.
Give me some Michael.
I'm broke.
Give me some Michael, dude.
As you can see, guys, in all of my photos, you can see there's a pattern in my dressing. Always red. Some red have to be involved.
This red and blue.
Some red have to be involved.
But this is nice. So you color coordination, the right, the up, though.
Yeah.
You can put in stuff together. Okay. This is just a little posy one gangster move.
Yeah.
Alright, Atlanta. What is that picture? Atlanta. I saw this picture of you on Facebook.
Okay, it's not
This
there.
is nice. This is
My
nice.
own Facebook account has been gone.
Yeah, it's not there.
Please.
Okay, so this picture I remember clearly because this was our
Engagement. After party at church.
So this was what he wore to the engagement.
Yes. To cuddle you in.
We never do no much cuddling.
It doesn't matter. If 1% of cuddling is still cuddling. Doesn't matter.
0.5%.
Still cuddling.
0.2.
Still cuddling.
But this picture is nice. I like the outfit. You know what they're thinking.
Yes.
Alright. Does that look like money, man?
At that time, I was growing my hair.
Yeah. But you did cut it after a while.
Yes, me
This
I was
was
a
a
cut
long time
it.
before.
Yeah, I was a cut it. And this was late, you know. This was late in the same time before we got married, you know.
It's true?
Yeah.
But me never see how
So,
with this here, you always
Yes.
flat
As
headed.
you can see, look at the chopper right there. You see the chopper right there? Over there? I eat that.
I remember so we still have them. So
What's that?
I don't know.
Just look flat and stressed up. Me don't really stress, me not lie. Me just
This
want,
was a stress.
I wanted that woman in my life, a real good woman, so that's why I'm really stressed so. Me just stressing more, as you can see, I'm happy. It's mine. I look nothing like that anymore.
Alright, this one, tight jeans. This are well fitted though.
Yeah, this was a guy's day out. Me and my best friend, we went out, no woman. We just went out and spent money on each other.
Oh, this is over my girl though.
Yeah. So, and here, you know, as I said, I was stressed, but I have my time when I, you know,
Fix up
and make myself happy.
Okay.
Not bad.
This is nice. The blue looks really nice on your hair. This is nice. This is nice.
Yeah.
But me not get no picture for us. How them look good?
I don't have no picture for us.
Alright, this is another stressful. Picture. But I was there. That's
Yeah,
me.
that's
That's my
Raquisha
foot. I remember he was playing a song for me on the keyboard. He's a good keyboardist, if you don't know.
Do you remember the song? And I know there's a reason. If you guys want to hear me sing that song for Raquisha, let me know. I will definitely sing it for you.
He sang it at our wedding. When we do our wedding video for our anniversary, you all probably get a little clip of it.
But if you want me to sing differently, I can sing for you.
Okay, don't push it. Alrighty, this is just another day in the life of Kim.
Yeah.
Going out and enjoying himself. Marina. Who do you think you were? They go to the Sosa Marina.
Look at my arms, baby. That's why I was
So
wearing
what comes in the
Marina.
Avino?
I still-
Wait.
I still got my arms, people.
Which part? Bye
Don't
bye.
get it twisted.
Bye bye.
I mean, I don't worry about lifting the entire, especially when you're on the ship, right? That's
Okay.
yeah.
This is a nice one. This is I like this outfit. I like seeing them kind of pants here.
Exactly.
It really bring you off.
Bring me to a next level. Unlock the next level on me.
Yeah. This is really cute.
So.
I like this. I really love this.
Hey, so guys, if you like them so far, let me know. Ooh.
This picture, I remember because I brought him out on a date.
Yes.
It was at the Best Dressed Chicken. Then they had a little, what do you call it? What do you call it?
A fun day, like.
Yeah.
Or a promotion.
But
But it was free. Free food.
A beer.
High people.
Expensive and high people were there.
Yes.
I was shook. A little bit like us.
We were
Got mingle
there.
and mix with the big people.
And
It was
I set a new record. It can be broken. Fast and Hector, 98
Oh, yes.
point something second.
What did you name?
Is an arm throw.
Yeah, it was so fun.
Hector can come run up to me, fling hard at Hector. I may never get nothing because they say I come late. Can you imagine? So people did not waste time. And I said fling 68 and he said that the general come.
That was good. Then if you get your gift though, and you never wait panic and then they say they might give you something.
But the liquor was free and I drink and I
Everything
eat.
is free. Food, drinks,
Rakisha,
everything.
I need to go back there.
I'm not in the position to get those passes anymore.
We can't try and sneak in.
No, we can't. We have to have passes.
One day I gotta keep on here. Moving on.
Alright, so this is another picture. What explain this, sir?
Well, this was a nice date night out. I went out on a date, you know. So the camera person is there. I went out with her.
Wait, oh, that was not me.
Man, that was not you, but.
Alright, next
It don't have to
picture.
be you.
Next picture.
You are here now. Black.
Oh Jesus, give me
OMG.
give me some grace, Lord. Give me some grace.
When my best friend asked me what happened to all of those muscles on my arm, you know.
Lazy, you get lazy kid. You know, I work out.
When in that position, when
position.
we usually work before, we usually have access to things. Because we usually on the ship every day, I'm on the ship. Now I do nothing. The ship just did it, me alone on the ship. I just take up the iron and I work out. Because I don't have to take off my clothes. No, I don't have no access to that again. I have access to computer every day. Most can make a bill, most.
But Ken, let us talk about the hair. Where is it, sir?
Where is the hair?
Where is the hair?
You see the hair? It's there.
This is our Shaolin monk. No man. No Kim.
Guys, if you...
This is not your feet. This is not your look at all. We can't imagine you now looking like this. We can't imagine you now looking
Guys,
like
if
this.
you want to see me bald my head off, just let me know. I'll definitely do it for you guys.
Oh no. This can't work. Alright, so this is the picture that was on one of the collage that he made on Facebook that I saw.
Yes.
That was the first picture I saw of him. I thought he looked really cute in this picture.
Yeah.
The angle was very nice. And I said, wow, he's not bad looking. So I said, okay, whatever.
This was what got our attention. Like,
Yeah. It was cute. This is a cute picture. I like it. One like the eye, like.
no, it's simple. So guys,
Anyways.
if you guys enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share.
Whoa, when I
And don't forget to comment down below. And if you guys want to see me react to reaction picture, let me know as well. I'm out. So.
Okay guys, so that was me reacting to Kim's old photos. They weren't bad. There wasn't anything to roast how I really wanted to. There was 1 and 2, but it wasn't like all that much. So if you guys want to see Kim react to my old photos, please leave a comment down below and let us know. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel. The subscription button looks like this color here.
Yeah.
And click the notification bell so you'll be notified whenever yours truly upload a new video. And what else?
Just comment,
Comment
comment, and share our video, guys.
Ensure that you follow us on our social media, guys.
Instagram, Twitter,
mostly.
Facebook, Snapchat, I said Vivo.
Okay, guys, so that is it for this video, and we'll see you guys
in our next, video.